Ricky. You know, I wish you guys could feel the cold through your screen, because it's really fucking cold today. And just to give you an idea, this last week we've had an extreme cold weather warning, and it's been, holy fuck, every day on the warmest maybe minus 25, and the coldest ranging I think minus 34 without the wind chill. And all these cars have been sitting outside, killing in this weather. I took this car out yesterday. This one's been sitting for a couple days. That one's been sitting for over a week. I have one in the garage too. We're gonna start them all and see what happens. We're gonna start with the Sebring, the daily driver. Minus 28. Ooh, I smell a bit of burning belt. Woo! Whoosh! Well, she's alive. She got a little bit of a misfire this morning. Next, let's do a Kia. See how Kia does. Korean cars, not made for the cold weather. See how they do this morning. Actually lock this thing. There we go. Here we go. Whoosh! Fuck, for a second there I thought you weren't gonna go. Well, so far we're 2 for 2. Well, power lock still works, so we got some life. Oh, this one's manual, so we gotta press the clutch in. Ooh, that's a little stiff. Here we go. Nissan Micra 1.6. Whoa! Try again. Whoa! Come on, we gotta go 3 for 3. Oh! Fuck! Got dead battery. Yes! I ain't giving up on this shit. We're gonna make you start. There we go. Take 2. Oh, I hear a fuel pump. Thought I didn't hear it the first time. Oh, fuck. No way! Whoa. Oh yeah, there we go. Hear that lifter kick. That oil not getting to the top. Alright, we got this one sitting in the garage, but it's not heated right now. So this one's a little bit more cozy than the other ones that are sitting outside. So let's see what this guy's gonna do now. We got a little bit of light in here. Oh, 2.2 4-cylinder. Come on, I believe in you, Chevy. Ooh. Damn it! Damn it, battery! Fuck! Looks like we're 50-50 right now. Holy shit, these cables are fucking solid. Well, apparently my car alarm's going. What's going on out here? Oh, it's you. I guess I hit the button in my pocket. Take two. Oh. There we go. I hear a fuel pump. Push! Oh, you can depend on your Chevy. Let's go shut her off here before I die of carbon monoxide poisoning. How do you start back up? Decent. Alright, bonus for you guys. We're gonna get this Cub Cadet going. Whoa! She goes! Holy shit! Oh! You wouldn't. That's not fair. Nuh-uh. Oh, you wouldn't do that to me. Let's take the choke off a little bit. Oh, you hate me today. I don't want to kill my starter. Okay, I'll try one more time. Oh yeah! There we go! Woo! And that's what happens when you guys live in Canada. That's a daily battle getting your fucking car going.